100% cotton flannel. I picked mushrooms. It's very kitcheny. And if you have a rotary cutter or scissors to cut your squares, I'm doing 11 by 11. Some people do 11 by 14, 12 by 14, 10 by 12. But I think 11 by 11 is fine. And if you have a cutting mat, line it up, which makes it easier, and your cutting metal guide. If not, just measure out the kind of squares you need for your home. Usually it's 12 by 10, but mine is going to be 11 by 11. So using my rotary cutter and mat, I have lined it up to where I would like the squares. Press hard when you're using your rotary cutter, otherwise you'll have skips. And it's nice to have the mat because you have the lines. And see how nice that cuts. Now I have a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can certainly use a zigzag on your machine for regular sewing. But serging is the best, most professional. And I'm going to line up the edge with this edge here on the foot. And then you pivot. So because I lined up the edge with the edge of this foot down here, it's not really cutting off anything because I have already squared it up. They say to always leave a tail, but I get around that, and I don't take a needle and put this tail of the serger thread through the loops. I just over stitch it so it locks into place. You'll see. And pivot around and then run it off so it locks in. So you see here, I went around the edge. Instead of threading it with a needle through the loops here like you usually do to hold the threads in, you just go over the stitch again, overcast it, and cut it off, and that's fine. So there's your finished unpaper towel, paper towel. Serged at the ends, looks professional. Now they sell these online, usually 3 rolls for $22 and up. And usually you get 10 to 12 paper towels per roll. And then you would just roll it up on your old paper towel cardboard holder. You don't need to put snaps. You just roll them up. And when you're done wiping up your spills, you can put it in a net bag that you can probably get at the Dollar Tree, those net laundry bags, and hang it on the inside of your cabinet door under your sink, and then you wash them. Now when it comes to wiping up jams and jellies and ketchup and mayonnaise, yes, rinse it out. And I think that's why people are discouraged from using unpaper towels, because they don't want to rinse it out and get their hands wet. but it's going to save you anywhere from $1 to $1.50 a roll. And we in America use too much paper products. So you just cut out your squares. They make lovely gifts. And as I said, you can either use the regular sewing machine on a zigzag stitch or a serger. And then when you do give them out as a gift, roll them up for them so they understand. And then give them a net bag to hang underneath their kitchen sink, so when they get a bunch, whatever the spills are, they can wash them separately. So, thank you for watching. Try to recycle.